Hi ladies and gentlemen. Today we show you the installation and adjustment of light steel wheeler keel equipment. When the machine arrives at the site, we must first check whether the machine is damaged or not during transportation. If so, please contact us in time. After the inspection, there is no problem. Let's enter the installation process. First, we need to adjust the height of the feet to be consistent, and then install them on the machine. After the local feet are installed, the next step is to adjust the level of the machine. When the machine's level is adjusted, our preliminary work comes to an end, and then we start the formal installation process. Next, we will connect the decoller to the equipment. The distance between the decoller and the machine should be about 4 meters, and the baffle plant of the decoller should be flush with one side of the feeding platform. And then connect the power cord to one end of the machine. First, the receiving cable should be placed 5 to 10 cm away from the machine outlet. Second, connect the power cord of the receiving cable to the machine. The following item is to add hydraulic oil. The hydraulic oil should be the number 46 4-season General Hydraulic Oil. We should pay attention to the oil level during the refueling process. The hydraulic oil can't exceed the oil window position and can't be lower than the red line position during daily use. After refueling, we enter the last step of installation. Install the protective cover. After installing the protective cover, our machine is installed. Now enter the operation stage. First, use the lifting equipment to lift the raw materials and transfer them to the top of the decoller. Place the raw materials against the baffle. Then use the wrench to open the tension part of the uncooler. Don't lift the lifting equipment during the tension release. Make the lifting equipment always be under a slight force. When the tightening device is fully tightened, the lifting equipment is completely loosened. Install a baffle on the loading rock after the lifting equipment is removed to prevent the raw material from falling off. The function of the decoller is to transport raw materials for the roll forming machine. At the same time, the electric decoller can reduce part of the load for the roll forming machine and extend the service life of the roll forming machine. The following step is the feeding stage, where employees are required to manually transport the raw materials into the machine with the remote control. The employees are following the raw materials out of the machine. During this process, the employees need to observe the condition of the raw materials in the machine at any time to prevent the raw materials from deviation or jamming. Once found, adjust in time. After the raw materials come out from the machine, we can debug the equipment. The raw material goes out of the knife edge position. Computer operate. First, open the software in the computer. Click on the device connection. Start oil pump System test. Encoder calibration. Calibration mode. Set length to 600. Change it again, no matter whether it is or not. Adjust the calibration length to 0. No matter what the previous value is, we have to adjust it to 0. After the length to cleared, see if the encoder displays 0. Then cut. Test. Start. Automatically run to a curtain length and then cut off. Measure how much the length of the production is different from 6000 mm. Then enter the difference in the calibration length atom. Click Calibration. Click on Length to listen. Click on Test Start. Automatically run to a curtain length. Click on Cut. Measure the difference between the length of the product and 5994 mm. The error plus or minus 1 mm is the calibration qualified. By compare with 6000 mm for the first time and 5994 mm for the second time, because the blend thickness is 6 mm during automatic operation. Click the production task. Then click the additional option. Then click Open. And then click the file to be produced. Then select Initialize. Return and click the Program Recent button. Click to the oil pump. And finally click Automatic Production. Now employees are measuring products. After the first product comes out, we must inspect the product. Once a problem is found in the product, it must be adjusted in time. If the mode position of the product doesn't match the date, it is necessary to adjust the mode position parameters. Row 8 and row 9 are mainly responsible for adjusting the material angle. Row 11 is mainly responsible for adjusting the straightness of the product. The main function of row 12 is to draw materials. In this way, we have a deeper understanding of machine. And if you encounter simple problems in the future, you can adjust and maintain it by yourself according to the functional principle of the machine. Thanks for your watching. If you have any question, please visit our website to consult us. The address is www.chinaformingmachine.com. If you think this video is helpful to you, please subscribe. Thank you. We will make some useful videos later. Thank you again for watching. Goodbye.